Hi guys, welcome back to another fantastic import-export tip. My name is Alex. I'm here in St. Petersburg. Why am I in St. Petersburg giving you an import-export tip? Well, two of my clients here, two of them, and they are doing really well importing from China some really hot products. I can't actually reveal what products they are importing, but they're doing really well here exporting as well. So that's might be something also to think about. You know, it's not just China you can import from. You can also import from other countries like Russia. And I just want to make this quick video just to show you the background here. If you ever heard about St. Petersburg, this is the Hermitage in the background, the Winter Palace and the Hermitage. Very, very famous building and museums. You can see in the background here. This is beautiful St. Petersburg. So I'm here visiting a couple of clients of mine, like I said, and I just want to give two real quick tips today. The first tip is when you do go to China, or even, especially specifically China, what you want to do is you want to have these business cards, raised lettering, okay, red business cards with gold lettering. The Chinese love that. They really appreciate that you made the effort to actually, to know about this. It actually brings good fortune and good luck and wealth. Same thing of giving gifts. What I do is I usually give gifts. Things like fruit and oranges, same sort of thing. It means good luck and wealth, and the Chinese really appreciate that. All right, so coming to you from St. Petersburg. Thanks guys for watching, and keep an eye out for more videos in the future.